The RESTMO RF Sprinkler Timer RF-2 offers the convenience of remote control, allowing you to manage your watering schedules from up to 100 feet away, making garden maintenance effortless. Featuring 2 independent outlets, this timer allows you to water 2 separate areas from a single faucet, providing excellent flexibility and control over your garden's irrigation needs. Constructed with pure brass inlet and outlet, the device is designed for durability and leak-proof performance, ensuring long-lasting use even under harsh outdoor conditions. With flexible watering modes, you can easily set start times, durations, and frequencies, while also having the option for manual watering and rain delay, adapting to your plant's needs and weather changes. The user-friendly design includes an oversized dial and a large LCD screen, making it simple to set up and monitor your watering schedule, ensuring that your garden stays healthy with minimal effort. Designed for outdoor use, the timer boasts IP55 waterproof protection and is versatile enough for various applications such as lawn sprinklers, greenhouse misting, and rain barrels.